So welcome to our Leah's forest house, and I just want to give you a quick tour. And I'm going to get up close. This is our DIY house, and I've added some accessories. We have a bag for the beach, a towel. I'm going to move in, start at this corner. We have our hammock and curtains. There's a close-up of the roof. And on the inside, there's our table, and that's made out of styrofoam, and I just put some scrapbook paper on it. I'll give you a close-up here. And this is a rice bowl that I made, and that just has styrofoam. White styrofoam, and I painted some brown, and then I added the little guacamole on the top. The vase is just a piece of leftover bamboo from the house, and I put some flowers in. And let me put a light on here. That's just an unfinished little wood box that I have. The little leaf tray is from the Dollar Tree, and we have some water bottles, and we have our little owl decor on the wall. That's just a little coaster actually, and the owls and the leaves are buttons. And then we come up here, we have another magazine about the rainforest and a pillow. Oh, we have a little froggy there on the window. That's just a scrapbook paper. The parrot actually is from the Dollar Tree store. And the butterflies I got in a package at Michael's, and we just have some clothes drying on the bushes here as they went to the river today. Now I'm going to take you over to the other side. Here is our rainforest side, and I'll back up a little so that you can see the side of the house. Start off, we have her shells hanging here, and I have a little Hallmark ornament, a little birdhouse, another butterfly there, and I have these are just little pieces of greenery that I purchased after Christmas on clearance from Michael's. And there's our DIY grill. These were little branches that were cut and packaged that I just happened to come across. I purchased those on clearance for like $1.50. We have the inside of our oven, which is empty. I have some paper plates that I made. Some utensils to cook. The corn is from Our Generation, and so are the shrimp skewers. And there's my grill. We have a little lantern with another parrot. And then down here we have some water. That's just icicles that I taped on to the poster. And down here, the rocks. This is actually just paper that I painted gray, 2 shades of gray actually, and these are just little pieces of greenery that I threw there and used scrapbook paper for the water. This is a potpourri that I just threw there, and the grass was from Target. Last spring they had. And there's a retired American Girl cooler with some soda in it. And then I have more greenery. We have our little sign. I have a little turtle there. It's just a little stuffed turtle. It was originally a keychain. And more greenery. And more butterflies. And that is our rainforest. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below. We had a lot of fun putting this craft together for Leah. And I still have to get Leah, but she'll be coming in March, so I'm prepared for her. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.